Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation for my third interface in my final year project, Qloq. This is an application built on the Wear OS operating system, and right in front of you, you have a Google Pixel Watch. So if I go to my app list and scroll and find Qloq, right there we can see its little favicon, which is similar to the favicons that most websites display. So if I click on Qloq, it loads into our application. We can see that our little sprite is feeling kind of meh. They're feeling quite average. Let's have a look at their stats. So the Qloq is actually not that hungry. They're a little bit thirsty and they're quite sad. So we can actually click on each of these buttons to see the number of related to the statistics. So for hunger, this is at 82%. For thirst, this is at 21%. And for happiness, this is at 0%. Let's see if those go down over time. We're going to go back and we're going to pet our application. Our sprite. We can see that the sprite's mood has actually decreased from average to sad. And this is because the average of all three of these statistics is less than 35. Now, if we pet the sprite, we can see that we have an animation right here that gives us feedback on our action, and the pet's mood has gone up. So we're going to continue petting, and we can see that the happiness has also gone up. Let's have a look at the hunger statistic, which was previously 82. It's now 78, and this is because for each second that passes, the statistics of the pet actually decrease by 0.1. So we've been talking on this screen for almost 10 seconds. If we go back and then open this up again, we can see that everything has decreased slightly more. And now hunger is at 76, thirst is at 15, and happiness is at 14. Now this number that appears is called a toast icon, and this comes within the library that was used. Some additional libraries that I used were Jetpack Compose, which allows me to create really good UI interfaces on Wear OS systems. Now, if I close the application by coming out of it and then try and open it up again, our data and statistics is still here. Let's try and close this properly, like completely close the application. There we go. And I'm going to go to my app again. And we can see that the statistics are still there. And we just saw the statistics decrease as well. And the Qloq is still upset. So thank you for watching. You can see the full documentation and reports of the development of this within my development log and my final year project report. We can also try to make the Qloq happy by improving its other statistics. And we're going to continue, there we go, interacting with it until the mood changes, and you can see the happy icon. So some other interactions and features that I would love to add to this application would be the ability to customize your Qloq or to change the name on the details screen. Believe it or not, even though this watch is only 41 millimeters in diameter, it actually does have some very good UI associated with the keyboard. And this is just something that could be considered in the future. Additionally, clothing and also having different reactions when it comes to interacting with the pet. Thank you for watching.